Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Roblox. It is Roblox right here at Bloxburg. So yes, we're here again. And it's really just what I like to play a lot. If you hear some background if you hear some music in the background, that's just my sister watching some music video. So yeah, so it doesn't matter. Oh, I hadn't paid my bills. I just forgot. So yeah, so I'm gonna go pay my bills. Those are a lot of bills. Seconding. Okay, now I can put on all my lights, and this is what I like to see. That one's a little off miniatures, but we can deal with it. Wait, what's supposed to light up this room? I don't know. I thought it was something to light up this room right here. Huh. I don't know, Al. Well, that's the reason. No. So, yes, we are in Bloxburg right now. See, I kind of look weird when I walk. But that's only because my pack, and I like my pack. Because I just love the jump. The jump is what makes it all do right. Don't you like the jump? Never try jumping like this at school because one time my friend did it and nothing happened. Hello! Please don't follow me around. Please don't follow me around. Okay, it says people follow me sometimes around. Oh! How are you? Oh, that might have not even been her house. Got it. Oh, can you please stop following me? Oh my gosh, yikes, stop. Wait, what is that? What is that? Is that a snowman? I'm sorry if this is you. I'm just gonna check you out. Because this girl looks sweet. What is this? No! Oh my god, I think she got out of the car. Oh my god, no. Run! Oh well, I think that was a pumpkin head. Okay, let's go up here. I wonder what's all the way up there. I probably should have taken something up there. Let me see. I'm gonna go. Loading, 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 loading. Here we go. Oh, I'm not doing well. You donate. I am poor. Oh! Chat. Bye. Okay. Yeah, if you have like a hopeless home like here, I'll be, oh, she is poor. I mean, like, something like her. If you want me to donate money, I'll show it to you. And join my group. Join my group, and I'll give you free Robux every time. Whee! Sometimes I will accept your friend request, and sometimes I won't. So I'm sorry if I accidentally said delete, but I might actually do it. Oh my god! I'm sorry if my voice is a bit squeaky. It's just because my voice is a bit squeaky. Whee! Wow. Oh my god, no! Maybe it would be better if I brought my thing. This always gets me. Wow! Oh my god. That would have been perfect. That branch saved me. Ah! Well, but that branch did not save. Wait, there was no branch there. Look at me. Ah! Oh god! Hell yeah! First, I think we should do this. Ready, guys? Pops back up. I think I'm right here. Ah, I was wrong. Oh no, now my truck is damaged. Okay, no, now it's not. What happened if we go in here? Whee! Oh no, I don't think we can get out. Why me? Why? Oh wait! I think there's a beach over there. Oh no. Use. Oh no, now my bike is stuck. Now I know the exact thing to get on home. How am I gonna go up here? Yep, we're gonna go all the way up here. It's Tuesday right now, and it's clock, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, and if you're wondering, and I always come out with more than 2 episodes every day, so yeah. Look at the view. PU. Woo! And if you want, link down in the description below if you want me to sometimes check out your house. Just give me your house number and just give me your house number and I might be able to visit you. Here we are. My favorite color is pink. And I get this one closer. Okay, it's views. Oh, look at me. My God, I'm actually gliding, guys. Actually gliding. I'm gonna try to glide to my house. I can even look backwards. Oh my god, that's actually a very high cliff. Oh, actually, if you can glide all the way over here and sit there, you may be able to jump there and climb up that big cliff. Oh, we're not barely there. We're barely there. We're almost there. I'm gonna like squish down a little bit so you can see where we are right now. Look behind me. There's my house, guys. I'm gonna try to land on it so we actually do land. Because I think if you land perfectly, it won't, you can use it again. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, I'm not going to be able to land it there. I'm going to be able. Alright. Saving something. Yeah. Oh no, she's coming to my house. Now because we're back here. I want to use this and go for a ride to see other people's houses. Hopefully, guys, I can check out your house. Huh. I don't think this house is available. Hello. Why is your door open? Hello, why is your door open? Hello, why is your door open? Hello. Hi. Hello. So yeah, do you have a place I can stay? Of course. Me too. Me too. Me too. Follow me. Living room. Tree. Tree. Oh. I will show you your room. One second, I have to change permissions. I can't use it. Can't get in though. Okay. So guys, we are there. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the episode here.